Alright, got the red car pretty dismantled. Axles off because we put it on the black car. Trunk, bumper, half a tail light, and that's the scrap pile. So we're gonna go get a trailer and load all this up into a trailer, and we're gonna finish dismantling this so we can continue to fit it on a trailer. Alrighty, got everything off the driveway. Well, everything metal. So we got the car loaded up. That was an event. After we did it the extremely hard way, I realized what we could have done is park the trailer back here, have the car here in the driveway, and just lift the back up, slide the trailer under, and then get the engine hoist, lift the front off, and let gravity just drop it for us. But it didn't work out that way because I didn't think of it soon enough, but that's okay. Got the car loaded up, cut the front sections off, got one door in there that's short. My dad's headed to Home Depot before they close, it's Sunday today. It's about 6:30, so they're gonna close in an hour. And then I got rest of the scrap metal parts in the back, other than this door. Front bumper's plastic, so we're not gonna worry about that. But the trunk, but I have some friends that said jokingly they wanted a souvenir, so I'm gonna take the badge off and the grill off and save that for them. This pile is really just plastic parts, so gonna save that for a second trip, because the first trip's gonna be the scrap yard, metal scrap, and then we'll take this there later after. Then taillight's gonna see if maybe I can sell those for a few bucks. Got the front suspension. I think I might be able to sell the springs because they're lowering springs. I have the rear lowering springs back there. The front sway bar, I might need that since we already swapped the GT rear sway bar, so maybe it'd be wise to use the front one as well. Handle the extra power. We got the old steering, the hydraulic one that we're not going to use anymore. Control arms probably not worth much, but the wheels, we can save those. Maybe get like $100 for the set. So that's what's going on there. But all in all, pretty successful day, I'd say.